Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modeler's Library. Today I will show you a book about the Stuart Royal Yacht Fubbs of 1682 by David Antscherl and Effie Moneypenny, researching and building a 1:48 scale model, published by Voyage books. The model described in this book is based on research into a contemporary model that was in the possession of the Earls of Sandwich for many generations. The whole form was developed from research by the authors in The Shipwright's Secrets of Commissioner Peter Pett. His second son, Sir Phineas Pett, built the Fubbs. This model represents the original ship rather than the rebuilt Fubbs of 1724. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.